There are environmental concerns. CO2 is a natural product of our biological processes, but there has been an increase, a substantial increase in the CO2 content in the atmosphere as a consequence of globalization. And you can see in this chart, it's not important in years, but it's been growing substantially and continues to grow beyond the year 2000. At the same time, and there appears to be some correlation between the two, the global surface temperature has been increasing. It's perhaps linked to CO2. Certainly, there is evidence based on the trends that are illustrated in these two charts. And so there's this belief that we have to reduce the emissions of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. At the same time, there's great pressure to increase the mobility of society, in particular those societies that, for example, China and India represent. The United States is near the peak when you look at the number of vehicles per person. There are a number of countries that we know are growing. South Korea, Thailand, China, India are all examples of countries that will increase their vehicle deployment, and as a consequence, the carbon dioxide emissions will also increase if we use the same kinds of engines that we're using today. So this was a slide. I was recently in Beijing, and when I was in Beijing, the air quality there was so poor that there was a factory behind me. The picture illustrated a factory behind me, and it looked almost like there was fog. The pollution was that poor. The air quality was that poor.